Okay, so I got a jackpot bonus on Carton Gold. Never played it. I think I've seen it before. I have no idea what's happening. Okay, we want those, I guess. Okay, that made that disappear for, I don't know, $3. These are double pennies. So 20 and 24. Okay, so that'll get all those for the major. $14 and 22. The grand is $10,000. So far, I've won $3.92. Gonna have to get a little more impressive than that. That wasn't very good. I don't know what that was all about. Guess I just paid it. So that guy's wild, and we got a free game. So that paid $14, almost $15. We're up to $20, so that's better. $5 was $2.60. That was another $15. Got 3 spins left. Need a lot more of those things. Oh, number 4. Another $2.60. 16. That was 13. Oh, there we go. That's $34, $35 plus whatever that guy's paying. So we totaled up to $52. Maybe, okay, it adds this on top of that. Okay, that's looking better. So $106. 106.62. So not too bad. Interesting. Oh, Christine gave us some coins. Congratulations. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, so we got another bonus on this Carton Gold. This time we got a 2-popper for the jackpot bonus and the extra wild. Still 2-cent denomination. We want a lot of these. There's those things. And hidey-ho. So these add up down here, your line hits, and then those up top will pay you at the end. Oh, that looks good. That could have been dogs. There you go. That looks pretty good. Oh, all those turned wild. Let's see what... that was $100. Okay, I like that. Oh, I need some more of the bombs. Howdy-ho. I don't know how it decides what turns wild. The more wilds, the better, if you ask me. We're up to $111. We only got one thing up top. Free game. 18 was $3, and then some more hidey-hos. I like the hidey-hos. $17, that's part of the grand. Up to 118 on the bottom so far. Got 3 spins after this one. Not much up top. So yeah, some of them turn wild down here at the bottom. I guess that's part of that feature, but I don't. Do you understand why they turn wild? I'm not understanding why. That one just pays. Got 2 spins left. Need much more of those doors. Okay, so all those turned wild. Last spin, no, we got 2 spins left. Okay, that one just is a pay. Nothing turned wild on that one. Okay, that one just paid. So not much up at the top, but the bottom paid really well this time. So 147 there. And then it'll add this up at the top, which wasn't a whole lot. So the total was 159.66. I'll take that. That's a good bonus. Good bonus. There's that. Christine got some coins. There's our 79.83 times 2. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, so I got the hold and spin feature on Buffalo Link. I'm trying to get this jackpot feature to go off 1506. Has to go off by 1800. It's a nickel denomination, $5 bet. Come on, give something. It did give me some extras, so a lot of times it doesn't give anything. There we go. It's the typical 1x, 2x bonus that Buffalo normally gives. But it can drop a big ball in there every once in a while. Miner's 500. Mini's 100. See, there's nothing in that one. So it's drawing blank on one there. But last spin, come on, do something. Okay, still alive. Still alive. Come on, give me another. Drop a great big one in there. Last spin. All right. Better than what it's been doing. They add up $5 and $10. Add up pretty good. Started with $100, I guess. But 95. Plays a little extra music and probably get some coins. Nope, no coins. All right, so we'll come back if we get another bonus. Okay, so I got the free spins bonus this time on Buffalo Link. 8 free spins. It at least will add to my Buffalo counter a little bit, maybe. There we go, that's some extra spins. 5 extra spins. Those can pay big. Up to $20 over here. We need the hold and spin or lots of those. There we go, we got a hold and spin. That'll help. 1x, 2x, that's normal. Miner's 500, Mini's 100. Major's 1400. Every time you land one, it resets your counter to 3 spins. $10 is good. Saw a mini floating through there, but that doesn't really mean anything. Come on, big one. Every once in a while, it'll drop a big value in there. Last spin, unless we get something. Okay, we'll add it up. We're still in the free spins. We're 4 out of 13 free spins. $100. Nice. Plus our 20. So, all right. So we'll continue on with our spins. Need a coin. We need buffaloes all the way across. Didn't get any. I've got 4 of a kind queens, so that paid $96. This is a good bonus. These free spins bonus on Buffalo can They're either like really, really good or really, really bad. Come on, we need some more coins. Come on. Oh, miner was there. Last spin, we need some coins. Nope. That's pretty good. $216.25 bonus. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we got another bonus. We've got the counter up to over 1,700. It has to hit by 1,800. We got another 1x, 2x hold and spin. You better give me something. Okay, thank you. It does, every time one of those lands, it still adds it to the counter. So we could get the extra bonus game in this. Land a big ball or a word or something, come on. I put way too much money in here. I mean, I started with 100. I did get up to 300, but now I'm down to $7. My wife's making fun of me. Christine says I'm crazy. She's right. So we're back over where we started. Another $95 win. So we're back to 102.35. So we'll be back when we get that counter, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, so I finally set the counter off. I'm technically down only $22, but I was up to $300 at one point. But we're not going to count that. So now the feature win can give us the spins or the hold and spin. Okay, hold and spin's probably a little better. Starting with 10s is good. Here's Granny's ticket for $1,300. I need mine to look like that. I like the 10s better than the 5s. Well, and then it gives me 5s. We would like some words. Red, blue, green, anything. Still got a blank hole. Uh-oh, come on. Come on, one more. There we go. Come on. There we go. 3 more spins. We got to fill this baby up. Just randomly drop in that major for $1,400. Come on. There was the minor. That'd be all right for $500. Uh-oh, last spin. Come on, pop one. There we go, $10. Come on, there we go. Just 2 more is all we need. Still got an empty hole. All right, here we go. Here we go. Nothing there. Nothing there. Come on, pop it in there. No, we didn't win 11,000. We'll add them up. This should add up pretty decently. There's several 10s. We're going to end up with a win. It's the biggest bonus we've had the whole time. 120. Not too bad. Any coins? Not even any coins for Christine to catch. All right, we're going to cash out with $199.10. All right, thanks everybody for watching.